Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a milkshake like McDonald's. To start, you'll need some key ingredients: good quality vanilla ice cream, whole milk, and your favorite flavored syrup, like chocolate or strawberry. Make sure everything is very cold, especially the ice cream, to get that perfect thick consistency. A powerful blender is also essential for achieving a super smooth and creamy texture, just like the pros. Now, let's get blending. For a classic size, combine 2 cups of firm vanilla ice cream with 1/2 cup of whole milk in your blender. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of your preferred syrup. Start blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a medium speed. Blend just until the mixture is smooth and thick, avoiding overblending, which can make it too thin. The best part about making your own milkshake is customizing the flavor. Beyond the classic chocolate or strawberry, try adding a touch of caramel syrup for a different twist. For that authentic diner taste, a small spoonful of malt powder works wonders. Feel free to adjust the amount of syrup to match your sweetness preference. You can also add a splash of vanilla extract for extra depth. Once your milkshake reaches that perfect, thick consistency, it's time to serve. Pour it immediately into a tall, chilled glass. For that iconic look, don't forget a generous swirl of whipped cream on top and perhaps a bright red cherry. Grab a wide straw and enjoy your delicious homemade milkshake. It's a simple pleasure that tastes just like your favorite drive-thru treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.